I'm Lieutenant Colonel retired Sean Alderman. I spent 31 years in the Army and ultimately became a Special Forces doctor. I am the president and founder of the Magnus Veterans Foundation. We specialize in primary care for veterans and their families.
It's a surreal setting. You come here and you instantly relax.
What we are providing here is exactly what we are providing in our active duty special operations, and that's taking care of the whole person, mind, body, heart, and spirit. We offer all that here.
When a veteran walks in here, they immediately feel a sense of camaraderie that you don't really get in any other facilities. Magnus Foundation for me is an outlet that oftentimes you don't have once you leave service.
And now that we brought this here, Minnesota veterans and their families are the only ones outside of the active duty soldiers within special operations that have access to this level of care throughout the entire world.
None of this is free. It's free for the veterans, but it's also important to recognize that it does take some donations.
And we would not exist if it weren't for the philanthropy and the selflessness of companies like Duke Cannon.
There's not many places, let alone in Minnesota, in the world, that have a facility like this that really brings veterans together and provides them the care that they need.